Where are we going?
Guess what?
What?
I came out to my mum last night.
Oh my God, how did it go?
Really well. She was completely fine with it. Well, yeah. Well, kissing at school is a terrible idea.
I never. One of the first things I ever said to you.
Yes,
We're not going to get distracted.
Yes, I will. Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, just let me win, Charlie.
Yes!
Can't do this anymore.
I'm sorry.
That was uncalled for.
I was here first.
Really?
Yeah.
We're in my
I
room.
was here.
Oh, no. This is war.
Come on. No, stop taking me.
Hi. Hi.
Go on then.